Welcome back everyone. Today we're diving into something truly special, the Fendt 1050 Vario King. This isn't just a tractor, it's a statement of power, precision and engineering excellence. When you first lay eyes on the Fendt 1050 you know immediately this machine means business. It's big, bold and built for the toughest jobs in agriculture. The first thing you notice is the design, aggressive lines, powerful stance and the unmistakable Fendt green. It's like the muscle car of the tractor world, but it's not just about looks. Under the hood this beast is packing a massive 517 horsepower engine. It's a 12.4-liter man 6-cylinder monster that delivers smooth and relentless power whether you're pulling heavy loads, working the fields or tackling transport jobs across long distances. The 1050 Vario is designed to perform day in and day out, and the best part is how smartly that power is delivered. Thanks to the Vario Drive continuously variable transmission you get seamless acceleration with no gear shifts at all. It's smooth, efficient and you're always in the right speed range for whatever job you're doing. Vario Drive actually optimizes torque distribution between the front and rear axles automatically. This means incredible traction and less soil compaction even under heavy load or on tough terrain. And if you're worried about handling such a huge machine, don't be. The Fendt 1050 has a tight turning circle for its size thanks to the self-activating front-wheel drive system. The Vario Grip tire pressure regulation system also means you can adjust your tire pressure on the go right from the cab. Lower the pressure for field work to maximize traction and protect your soil, then pump it back up for road transport to reduce rolling resistance and save fuel. Now speaking of the cab, Fendt has outdone themselves with the 1050 Vario. The cab is massive, luxurious and built for long days in the field. When you step inside you immediately notice the comfort, from the air suspended seat to the climate control to the virtually panoramic view outside. Everything is designed to make your work easier and less tiring. The Fendt One operating system is the heart of the control setup, giving you intuitive fingertip control over all tractor functions from engine management to hydraulic settings, field navigation and more. The multi-function joystick, the customizable touchscreen displays and the adjustable armrest all work together to put everything you need right at your fingertips. You can set up the screens exactly how you want them, choose what information you see and when, and even plan your tasks in advance and then execute them in the field with maximum precision. GPS guided auto steering and section control are fully integrated so you're working smarter not harder. The 1050 Vario King isn't just big for the sake of it, it's designed to handle the largest implements you can throw at it. It features high-capacity hydraulics with up to 430 liters per minute flow and multiple rear and front couplers, giving you the ability to run even the most demanding attachments and tools without breaking a sweat. Heavy-duty hitches and drawbars mean you can tow the biggest grain carts, plows, cultivators and more, all while maintaining stability and efficiency. And because it's a Fendt, you're getting industry-leading fuel efficiency. Even with all that power, Fendt engineers have designed the 1050 to sip fuel compared to competitors in its class, saving you money and reducing downtime for refueling. When it comes to maintenance, the Fendt 1050 is built with simplicity and accessibility in mind. Daily checks are fast and easy, major service points are within quick reach and the overall reliability is exactly what you'd expect from a top-end German machine. Downtime is your enemy in agriculture and the Fendt 1050 is engineered to keep you working season after season, year after year. Plus with Fendt's service network and support you're never far away from the help you need, whether it's parts, advice or on-site service. Another thing you'll love about this tractor is how quiet it is inside the cab. Even under full load the cabin is well insulated. You can talk on the phone, listen to music or simply enjoy some peace and quiet while you work. It's all about reducing fatigue and helping you stay sharp and focused all day long. The Fendt 1050 Vario King truly lives up to its name. It's the king of the field, blending raw power with cutting-edge technology and unmatched comfort. If you're looking for a tractor that can take on the biggest, toughest jobs with ease while making your work more efficient and enjoyable, this is it. The Fendt 1050 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this and leave a comment below to let us know what you think of the Fendt 1050 Vario King, or if there's another tractor you'd like us to feature. Until next time, keep farming smart and stay safe out there.